Hello everyone, good morning to all. My name is Divya, MSc Computer Science second year uh, in RB Viara Women's College. Today I am going to explain types of firewalls. Firewall is a network device. A firewall is a security system to protect an internal network from unauthorized servers and a network based on predefined rules. It acts as a barrier and only allows the secure network to send or receive data. When security is provided from unauthorized to network, there are commonly three types of firewalls: packet filters, application level gateways, and circuit level gateways. A packet filtering firewall applies a set of rules on each incoming packet and forwards the packet if rules are obeyed, otherwise discarded. Here packet is nothing but data and discard means we will drop it. Okay, so it is applied some set of predefined rules, like those rules will be based on the source IP address, the destination IP address, the protocols used and the port numbers used. Based on all these things rules will be generated. It will also maintain a filtering table and it is very simple but less secure. Here a filtering table will decide whether the packet should be forward or discarded. Okay, and uh, and it will check whether the rules are obeyed or not, and the packet is obeying the rule, the packet will be forwarded, and the packet is not obeying the rule, the packet is discarded. This is a packet filtering. And next, application level gateway. Application level gateway, also called as proxy firewalls. It is used to protect data at the application level. It is more secure than the packet filtering firewalls, and it will contacts the users by using TCP IP protocols like Telnet, FPT, File Transport Protocol, and SMPT, Simple Mail Transport Protocol, and HTTP Hypertext Transport Protocols, etc. It is much slower than a packet filtering firewalls. Here, to show the diagram from application level gateway, here the internal host wants to communicate with the external host. Here we have proxy server. This is main server. Here outside host means main server. Application level gateway. This is proxy server. So first of all, the internal host will send the request, and the request is taken by proxy server. So the proxy server will set of protocols like HTTP, SMPT, and HTTP, etc. Here actually the request is going to the proxy server, then the proxy server will check for the authentication, and from there it will send the main server. Here main server means external host. The main server will also give response, and that response also checked by the proxy server. So here uh, the it will send the request to main server, and the main server will also give response, and that response also checked by the proxy server whether it is reliable or not. Once done, that will be again uh, internal host will send. This is how communication will happens. The communication between these two things means the internal host and the external host will happens by any of these protocols. So this is about application level gateway. And next, circuit level gateway. This works as the session layer of the OSI model. It is basically how two TCP connections can be set off together. Here the two. So here internal and external host and gateway between both of them. It will use two TCP connections. So it is faster than the previous two types means it is faster than the application level gateway and packet filtering firewalls. So these firewalls are not much efficient as they do not check the data packets, and in case a data packet compresses malware, it will allow to pass if the TCP connections are successfully done. All internal and external connections are managed in gateway. So here the show the diagram in circuit level gateway. The internal host will send the request to the gateway, and same gateway will check for the authentication, and if it is authenticated, it will send the external host. If the external host will send the respond, the external host will send the respond. Now this respond is again checked by the gateway, and if it is authenticated, it will send the information